And now for the painting surfaces. You can use watercolor paper, canvas, illustration board, hardboard, or other choices like matte board. But what we're going to do is to watch a video about it. So I've created a video that shows you the exact surfaces and how to use them. So watch the video now. Here we go. Hi, and welcome to Mixed Media Collage Different Surfaces. Right now what we're going to cover is the surface that you can paint on. So there's quite a few. The first is watercolor. Watercolor paper, especially 140-pound watercolor, is very good for collaging. There's two surfaces. There's a rough side and then a smooth side, but it's very durable. The second is canvas. So you can use a regular canvas. I prefer the thick edge. They called it a gallery edge. And it's stapled on the back and it's got a wide surface. Excellent for collaging. The next surface is illustration board. So it comes in different sizes. You can buy it the size you want. It's like heavy card with a type of paper on the surface. Very good for collaging, but only in small sizes. Then there's matte board. That's the cheap way to do it. Matte board works really well if you keep it small. So they come in different sizes and colors, and you use the back side. You use the white. There's also hardboard, and hardboard is wood. With hardboard, you have to put gesso on the top, and gesso is like a primer for most surfaces for painting. You see it on the canvas. That's why the canvas is white. You can work in different sizes with hardboard. So that's it for now. We'll see you soon.